If CapCut templates are not showing up for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get templates loading again quickly. This is a super frustrating problem when you're trying to create content fast, especially if you open CapCut and the template section is empty, missing, or just not appearing the way it should. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what to check, what to refresh, and how to get back to using templates without guessing. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common reason CapCut templates stop showing. In many cases, it's not actually a broken app, but a loading issue, a connection issue, or a settings issue. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your internet connection is stable. Templates often need an active connection to load properly, so if your Wi-Fi is weak or your mobile data is unstable, the template page may not populate correctly. Try switching networks, refreshing the app, and reopening CapCut to see if the templates appear. Next, check whether CapCut needs to be updated. An outdated version of the app can cause features like templates, effects, and trending content to stop displaying correctly. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for CapCut, and install any available update. After updating, close the app completely and open it again. This simple step fixes the problem for a lot of users because template content is often tied to the latest app version. If the templates still aren't showing, clear the app cache. Cached files can sometimes get corrupted and prevent pages from loading properly. On mobile, go into your phone settings, find CapCut in your app list, and clear the cache if that option is available. On desktop, you can also try closing CapCut fully and restarting your computer to force a clean reload. After that, open the app again and check the templates section. Another thing to check is your account region or content availability. Some CapCut templates may not appear in every country or every account type, especially if the content is being pulled from a region-specific feed. If you use a VPN, try turning it off first. If you are not using one and the problem only started recently, it may be related to temporary regional restrictions or server-side changes on CapCut's end. Now, if you're trying to use a specific template and it's not appearing in search, make sure you're searching with the exact keywords or the original creator name if you have it. A lot of templates disappear from general search because they are trending, renamed, or no longer being pushed in the main feed. You can also try opening a template link directly from TikTok, Instagram, or a shared CapCut page if someone sent you one. Sometimes the template does exist, but it just isn't showing in browse results. If none of that works, log out of your CapCut account and log back in. This can refresh your profile data and reconnect your access to templates. Also check whether your CapCut app has the right permissions, especially if you're on mobile. If storage permissions, network permissions, or background data are restricted, the app may not load all of its online content properly. Another useful fix is to reinstall the app. I know that sounds basic, but reinstalling CapCut can solve stubborn glitches that updates and cache clearing don't fix. Uninstall the app, restart your device, then download it again from the official store. Once you sign back in, check the templates section before changing any other settings. If the templates come back, then the issue was likely caused by a broken install or corrupted app data. If you are using CapCut on desktop, also make sure your desktop version is the official build and not an outdated version. Desktop apps can sometimes behave differently from the mobile app, and certain template features may be limited depending on your version or account sync. Sign into the same account on both mobile and desktop if possible, then check whether the templates load in one version but not the other. That can help you isolate whether the issue is device-specific. It's also a good idea to check CapCut's server status and social channels. Sometimes the template feed is down temporarily, and the problem is not on your end at all. If multiple people are reporting the same issue, there may be a wider outage or maintenance period affecting template loading. In that case, the best fix is to wait and try again later. So to recap the best fixes, check your connection, update CapCut, clear cache, log out and back in, reinstall if needed, and verify that the issue isn't caused by a regional or server problem. Those steps solve most CapCut template loading issues without much hassle. If this video helped you fix the CapCut template not showing problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.